Hey guys, tired of watching others cash in online while you're stuck wondering where to start? In 2025, making money online is easier than ever, and today I'm breaking down the simplest ways to get paid. No experience needed. Whether you're looking to cover some bills, save up for something special, or even quit your job entirely, these online gigs can help you reach your goals. Whether you're a student, fresh out of college, or looking for extra cash on the side, these easy methods can help you start earning right away without fancy degrees or tons of experience. Let's dive right in. First up, we're diving into the world of freelancing. Freelancing has exploded over the last few years and shows no signs of slowing down. The best part, you don't have to be an expert. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are jam-packed with gigs that anyone can start, like virtual assisting, data entry, and social media management. Think about it. How many businesses out there need help with their emails, scheduling appointments, or even just posting on Instagram? That's where you come in. These sites are filled with entry-level jobs like organizing emails, setting up appointments, or handling social media posts. Even basic skills can earn you cash. For example, virtual assistants earn around $15 to $25 per hour depending on the job. Kick things off with a competitive rate to build up reviews and credibility. Once you've got some solid feedback, you can raise your rates and start earning even more. It's all about putting in the work up front and reaping the rewards later on. Next up, we're talking passive income. Baby, nothing screams passive income like selling digital products. Create something once, put it up for sale, and it keeps making money even while you sleep. You might be thinking, Graham, I'm no artist or designer. But you don't have to be. Digital products can be printable planners, digital artwork, social media templates, and stock photos. With tools like Canva, anyone can create professional products to sell. One creator made over $1,000 in their first month selling simple planner designs on Etsy. Check out trending products on Etsy and put your unique spin on it. Simple designs that solve a problem can sell like hotcakes. Alright, let's talk about affiliate marketing, a fantastic way to make money online, even if you don't have a massive following on social media. Here's the deal. You partner with brands and companies you love, promote their products or services to your audience, and earn a commission on every sale you make through your unique affiliate link. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you can do it on any social media platform, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, you name it. Just find products you genuinely use and love. I can't stress that enough. Authenticity is key. Share them with your followers. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or Share a Sale and start browsing their massive selection of products. One TikToker I know started making over $500 a month just by sharing their favorite skincare products with their followers. Remember, people buy from people they trust. Make short, authentic videos or posts showing how you use the product and why you love it. If you've got a knack for teaching, online tutoring might be your golden ticket. You don't need a teaching degree to get started. Platforms like VIP Kid and Cambly are always looking for tutors to teach English. If you're fluent in English, this could be a perfect side hustle. But it's not just about English. Math, history, guitar, teach your passion online. Teaching and tutoring have become a huge way to make money. They handle marketing and student acquisition, so you can focus on teaching. Plus, teaching conversational English pays well. and offers a flexible schedule. A part-time tutor can earn between $15 to $30 per hour. It's flexible, so you can keep it as a side hustle or turn it into a steady income source. Alright, let's talk about the big leagues, content creation. Now, I know what you're thinking. Graham, isn't that super competitive? And yeah, it can be, but it's also more achievable than ever before, thanks to platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Twitch. Here's the thing. People crave authenticity. They're tired of perfectly curated Instagram feeds and overly polished YouTube videos. They want real people sharing real passions. So, what are you passionate about? Gaming, cooking, travel, whatever it is, there's an audience out there for you. Building a following takes time, but you can monetize with ads, brand deals, or donations from fans. For instance, YouTube offers ad revenue through its partner program, and TikTok has similar programs for creators. One creator on Twitch went from $0 to $1,000 per month in under 6 months just by streaming their gameplay. My biggest piece of advice for aspiring content creators: choose a topic you're passionate about and be consistent. Consistency is key, and so is engaging with your audience. Alright, so what are you waiting for? Choose one of these methods and get started. Start now, learn as you go, and let's make 2025 your year to shine. If you're ready to dive in, drop a emoji in the comments and tell us which method you're going to try first. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell to stay tuned for more side hustle tips. See you in the next video, and until then, keep hustling, keep learning, and keep earning.